Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change drawing opacity or make it transparent using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is what drawing, now I will make it transparent. So we will click on this drawing option and select. Now click right button for your mouse and here you will find this properties option. Select and here you will find this opacity option. See this and change the drawing opacity and it will making see this transparent and change into transparent and see this. Also change this on and do it same way. And see this. Also make it transparent. In this way you can make all of this drawing transparent. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.